So a couple of weeks ago I actually received this package in the mail, and in here what I actually have right here for you guys is the HAIL PR30B. Actually hope I'm saying that name quite right. And I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing experience for you guys, so you guys actually see what actually comes in this. So if you're watching this video and you kind of stumbled upon the HAIL, or you're actually looking for a really good budget microphone for you to grab for yourself, then this might just be the right one for you. Let's dive straight into it. What's up guys, T-Rex and Mr. God right here, taking you further and faster in your music career. On this channel what I do is I give you a lot of music gear reviews, unboxing strategies, music marketing strategies, and all that kind of stuff. It's all about music right here on this channel. So if you're new, hi, my name is T-Rex. I want to be your friend. Wanna hit the subscribe button right down below and tell me that you are amazing in the comments section. Do drop me one of these because it does do the algorithm really good, so a lot more people can actually find videos like this. So without wasting too much time, what we got today is the HAIL PR30B, and I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna give you my first impressions review on this device. Okay, and big shout out to HAIL for actually sending this to me. I didn't buy this myself. Huge disclaimer right here. HAIL actually did send this to me as a sort of PR arrangement for me to actually check this out and give you guys what I actually really think about it. Now, point no, it is not a sponsored ad or sponsored video. Okay, this is just me partnering up with them just to test out a lot of new gadgets and stuff. And if you can see right behind me, I do have a lot of stuff that is actually coming that I'm already testing. Okay, I'm already using the HAIL as of the time you're watching this video, and a full review is going to be dropping shortly after this. Okay, so if you want to see that full review, then please hit the subscribe button right down below and also turn on the bell notification so you do get notified when I do drop a lot of these videos. And if you do see something that you like in my background or from any of my videos, I do have affiliate links in my description box right down below where I actually link to all of these things, so you can actually just pick it up for yourself. Another way you can actually support the channel is by actually grabbing one of these. Okay, this is J Blacks. As you guys know, I've talked about this right here on this channel for so long, so we're not gonna go really too much into that. Okay, links right down in the description. You do get 10% off if you want to take one of these, and just amazing specs. Okay, I wear these almost every day because my eyes are a little bit messed up though, so you can actually get it prescribed. That's what I'm trying to say. So amazing deals, amazing stuff. Another way you can actually support the channel and me is by becoming a Patreon. Now what I do on my Patreon service is that I can actually give you a scheduled appointment, because a lot of y'all do reach out to me on Instagram and Snapchat, and I do love that. Honestly, Instagram is a really nice way for you to connect with me. So if you're not following me on Instagram, that is going to be an amazing way for you to connect with me. I do have a lot of video calls with you guys, voice notes, voice messages, memos, and all that kind of stuff, Snapchat, everything. It is amazing, it is cool. We do go back and forth, and it is nice. And the Patreon service is just gonna be the same thing. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, I'm so open to all of y'all. Okay, and it's gonna be just the same thing. All right, the only difference is that you're gonna be supporting me and you're gonna be supporting the channel. Okay, so without wasting too much of y'all time, let's dive straight into this unboxing. Alright guys, so I got the box right here, and I actually do like how the HAIL logo is actually plastered all around it, but we're just gonna cut this open and we're gonna see what we got. Now the first thing we do see is a box within a box, which ain't bad actually, and all of this squishy foamy thingies. Now this is actually really good for the packaging because it ensures that the microphone is not going to get damaged while it's being transported, because you kind of see how they handle packages at a lot of places, man. You'd be really surprised, but HAIL actually did a really good job of trying to make sure that they stay safe for you guys. And now we come up to the main box, and I actually like the HAIL just written across right there with the HAIL microphone and the black and white accent. I really think it's really cool. Nice packaging here. Now the very first thing we're actually greeted with is a thank you note, which I see a lot of manufacturers actually doing this right here. I think it's a really cute touch there, and this also doubles as stickers. So on the back of it you got a HAIL sticker right there. Cool, I'm gonna stick it somewhere, you know. And now next of all we got the HAIL manual, and this actually shows that this microphone does come in gold and in black. Right here what I do have is the black version, which I love. Black is my favorite color, and there's a whole bunch of stuff in here that I do advise you to actually look at, because there's some key points there that you might want to use to actually set up this microphone. And now putting that aside, we're just gonna grab what else is next in the box, and we have a carrying case here. I really did not see this one coming. Now as Jerry Rig everything would say that any protection is actually really good protection. I really think this is a nice touch here for HAIL to actually just include this in the packaging, although not actually the best kind of jacket right here with the leather and everything. It feels a little bit slimsy, but comparing that with the Audio Technicas, I feel like the Audio Technicas is a little bit more better. You might disagree, let me know in the comment section right down below, but it's really nice that I actually did put something right here for you guys to actually have in your case here. So I'm gonna put that case aside and try to grab the microphone, but for some weird reason it is sort of glued to the box, which actually is not really a weird reason. I'm gonna say this is just for more protection, okay? So it actually ensures that the microphone doesn't like wobble around while it's being transported. Good job here. I mean, the attention to detail in this packaging is actually really impressive. That I'm really liking this so far. And so finally we have the microphone in all of its glory, and wow, this actually looks really amazing. I actually really like the design, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a sec, but there's a little bit of warning right here which says that this microphone is an end fire microphone. So unlike the Audio Technica where you'd actually try to get input sound from the sides, you're gonna want to use this one from the top, so the input is gonna be a lot more better getting it from the top, okay? And also a quick comparison right here with the PreSonus M7s, which actually has the same kind of design, which takes its input from the side other than taking it from the top. So for the connection type, you do use the conventional microphone jack, so you don't actually need to go out there and buy anything that's proprietary, which is really cool. Now I'm going to tell you why I like this design. It is because it looks so identical to the Audio Technica AT2020. I don't know if it's just me seeing this right here, but this looks like the Audio Technica just had a baby, man. But it actually looks really good. The weight to it is really solid. It is really nice. All around packaging, yeah, all around good quality from what I can see. The testing is gonna be the judgment for this one. So that's it for me with this one, guys. Let me know in the comment section right down below what it is that you actually do want to see when I'm actually doing the full review for this one. It's gonna drop shortly after this, so be sure to subscribe, okay? I'm gonna be testing a lot of these, and I'm gonna actually see how well it compares to the other microphones that I do have here. All right, so peace out. So that's it for me with this video, guys, and tell me in the comment section right down below if there's anything specific that you want me to test about this microphone. I'm already using it. I got a lot of thoughts. I don't want to say it right now. I want to save it for the full review, okay? If you're new to this channel, just be advised, this is how I do my videos. I do an unboxing, and then I do a full review, and then I do comparison videos of that device with other ones that I do have here, okay? If you can see the top of this, I got a lot of mics right now, which is actually quite insane though, and I'm still trying to get a lot more stuff, okay? So if you're watching this video and you are a PR for a company or something and you want to work with me, email, everything is right down in the description box right down below, okay? I've got a lot of partnerships right now. It's really amazing. Keep them coming. 2021 is gonna be amazing, okay? So without further ado, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the very next video. Don't forget, guys, be unstoppable.